kids! It's me, Abby. Welcome to my coloring show. Today we will color and learn the letter U. First, I'm going to color the letter U. I start with an orange color. Then I use red. And pink. I also gonna use a purple color. And blue color. Then I use light blue. And finally, I use green. Now we learn words that start with the letter U. U, umbrella. An umbrella we use to protect ourselves from the rain or sun. Don't forget to click subscribe button. U, utensils. Utensils are tools that we use to eat. U, unicorn. Unicorns are magical creatures that look like a horse with a horn on its forehead. Did you hear about unicorns? Today we learned about the letter U.
Bye-bye!
I hope you enjoyed the process. Have a colorful day.